Morning people, morning people. Today we're going to be talking about big days in the market. Big days. What's a big day? All right? What is really a big day? A big day is super subjective. It's based on where you are in your career and that kind of stuff when it comes to trading and that kind of shit. Or even, in any field. But at the same time, we're going to relate this to the markets overall, all right? A big day. My first big day was probably when I made a couple $100s. A couple $100 in one day. Why? Because at my job, I wasn't making a couple $100 a day. So technically, a couple $100 a day is a big day. You know what I'm saying? My first huge day, once I actually realized the potential and that kind of stuff, I had my big day of $1,000 in one day in April 2015. That was a huge day. I'm walking out of class, and that's what I see on my screen is $1,000 in profit. That's a big day. So as you keep on going, over time, obviously these days are gonna, not really obvious, but if you plan on growing in your skill set, big days are gonna be bigger numbers and that kind of shit, based on you just being used to certain numbers or used to seeing certain numbers. All right, so now break it down as to why even $1,000 a day is sweet. You know what I'm saying? $1,000 a day, that's 30K a month. 20 trading days, like 20K a month, $1,000 a day. All right, so put it this way: $1,000 in one day, that could pay for probably most of a person's rent. That could probably pay for a car note. That could pay for definitely like a light bill, a water bill. It could pay for a lot of bills, knocking shit out. Let's say you had a 10K day now. Let's say over time now you're getting better, this and that. Things are a bit different now. 10K in one day. That's $10,000 in one day. Off of working one day, you're able to pay, let's say, a luxury car note. You're able to actually pay a mortgage of, like, let's say $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, or even less. You're able to, go out to eat, that kind of stuff, buy groceries, stock up your fridge for the entire month off of still one work day, or like one nice day. You are able to, take a kid shopping and that kind of shit. You know what I'm saying? And you still got money left over. Mind you, it's still 19 trading days left. Now, over time, you know what I'm saying? I got, I have my big days, 100Ks and that kind of shit. I have students that's doing that as well. You know what I'm saying? Post them all the time. James actually made a couple $100,000 this past week right here. I told him, yo, bro, go buy a crib. You know what I'm saying? That's easy, a down payment and that kind of shit to get a crib. So a big day is super subjective, and over time, obviously, it gets a little different. You know what I'm saying? Like what your version of a big day is based on where you currently are in your journey and that kind of shit. So when it comes to seeing $5,000 in profit, stop and think about it. Stop and think like, God damn, like it's only $5,000, but think about it, it's only $5,000. That 5K could have paid your mortgage, done, out of your mind. That could have paid, a couple car notes. That could have paid credit card bill. You know what I'm saying? It could knock out a lot of shit. So when you see certain numbers on your screen and certain numbers that you're trading towards, always stop and think about it. You know what I'm saying? 10K is still 10K. 5K is still $5,000. $10,000 is still $10,000. $100,000 is still $100,000. That's what some lottos are. That's what some lottery that people are playing for is, to get $100,000. But you're making it. So at times you can't get too lost in the sauce and forget the value of $1. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta if you're up a good amount and that kind of shit, like, yo, stop and think about it. Like, yo, damn, I'm up 25K. But damn, I could be up so-and-so, but hold on. But you're still up $25,000. That's a lot of money still. That's a person's, you know, annual salary at times. You know what I'm saying? Coming straight out of college sometimes, or I think. So don't get lost in the sauce at times. You know what I'm saying? Just like really, when you're up a certain amount, stop and think. Like take a step back and like, God damn, like, what can I do with this money right now? You know? That way you could you know, your mindset doesn't actually go over to the point that you're forgetting, you know, what each value of each dollar is. You know what I'm saying? Like, imagine 100,000 of these, 100,000 of these, 100,000 of these just there. You know? It's different. And as you actually grow in your field, money's gonna become a bit different. So I got some funds over here somewhere. This is what, a couple hundred 20s, probably like about 150, 180 or some shit, right? Imagine this times 80, times 100. It's a fucking stack now. You know what I'm saying? Like, you could use that money every single day on expenses, on this, on that, and still have money. So every single time that you're up a good amount inside of markets, take a step back, think about it. What could I do with this money like right now? What could this pay for? Can I go on vacation? Yo, imagine you're up 25K in one day. You could go on a fucking crazy ass vacation, bring the family, whatever, you know? Everything. So don't lose sight of the value of a dollar, because once you do, shit gets real nasty. You know what I'm saying? I've been through it. And I always say, I give advice based on experiences, based on just history, just, you know, I've been there before, you know what I'm saying? So I know how to speak about it and that kind of shit. So just remember that. So if you're up a certain amount, you know what I'm saying, in whatever field that you're in, stop and think about it. What can I do with this money like right now? Just so you don't feel greedy and that kind of shit to want more, you know? So don't forget that. Q-tips of the day. I'm holla at y'all. Peace out. Comment, like, you know what I'm saying? Give some feedback to this video right here. Alright, so I might drop more. Let's see what happens. Alright, peace.